Hello everybody, welcome to Gardening Everyday. So guys, in this video I'm going to talk about a very vital problem mostly arrive in rose plant at summer season, that is leaf burning and wilting. In this video I'm going to tell you the main reason of this problem and also the solution. Before that, if you are new here, please take a moment to subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for the update. This leaf burning and wilting mostly visible in the late spring and early summer season. Three main reasons are responsible for this problem. Number 1, insect. Number 2, overwatering and fungal attack. And number 3, sunburn. At first, let's talk about insects. In this time of the year, red spider mite, mealybugs, ants, aphids and mostly thrips are found in the leaves and stems of plant. All of them only thrips and red spider mite infestation turn leaves brown and leaves get wilt. The solution for this problem is using pesticide. You can also use homemade pesticide. In my channel I already uploaded video on how to make pesticide at home and that really works. I will put the link below. Number 2 is overwatering and fungal attack. In the summer season we have to water our plant very often, and always before watering we have to check the soil moisture content, but sometimes we do not notice that and overwater the plant. Fungal problem is related with overwatering and overfertilization. If your plant root is affected by any fungus or bacteria, then the plant leaves will start to burn and wilt. The symptoms showing my plant is caused by fungal attack around the root area, and this fungal infestation occur because of ants. Seriously guys, in my garden ants are everywhere and carry several types of fungus and mealybugs also. I have already showed you in my Save a Gardenia plant video that ant carries lots of mealybugs around the root area of gardenia plant. Cause mealybugs sucks sap from the plant stems and roots, the plant was died. The same cause happened in this plant also. At first I noticed that the new leaves are started to burn and then it wilt. Also showed some dieback problem. I checked the plant very carefully but I did not found any types of insects, but I noticed ants in the soil. Also my plant was a little bit of overwatered. In this case the solution is you have to wash the plant root with antifungal powder and then you have to repot the plant in new potting mix. So I also did that. At first I poured the plant in water and all the ants came out. Then gently cleaned the soil around the root area without disturbing or tearing roots. Rose roots are so sensitive, so when you are doing this with your plant you have to be careful, and also this is the summertime and it is not the right time to repot a rose plant, so be careful. Okay, then I repotted this plant in a new pot with new potting mix. Guys, I don't have any fungicide powder. All of you know that because of corona, everything locked down. So that I used charcoal with soil medium cause that have antifungal properties. But I don't know does it work or not. But if it work, then I will share with you. After repotting, I cut down the dead leaves and branches. Okay, then number 3 is sunburn. In this time of the year, the sun transmit intensive radiation and that can turn leaves tips brown like this. Sometimes the leaves can be wilt because of low moisture. In term of sunburn, leaves will become crispy like this and also the flower buds become burned. The solution for this problem is to move the plant in a shady area, not fully shady area, where it can get only morning 3 to 4 hours of sunlight. So guys, that's all. Hope it will be beneficial. If you have any query, please comment below. Thanks for watching this video and we'll see you in the next one.